Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm doing Topbox, which is a Canadian monthly subscription, which is $12 including delivery, and with tax it's $13.58 I believe. At least for myself in Ontario it is. Not 100% sure what the taxes would be elsewhere, because I know in Alberta their taxation is much cheaper, so maybe they get it cheaper. That would be nice, right? So this is the box this month, trying to cover up all my important information that they put there. Very cute gift for you. Like I said last month, what the hell is that? It's not a gift, I paid for it. And this was last month's. Look at that. Do you think they were trying to impress me on my first month or what, eh? That's like insane. I don't know, somebody was trying to say something, I guess. I'm not sure. Big, small, don't know. So, this is what it looks like on the inside. Lots of little cringy, little crinkly doodaddy-dad things. Nice. Let's get inside. Okay. Don't know what this is, but I got my box before they updated my website to tell me what's inside. So I actually have no idea. Like, the website hasn't updated yet. It'd probably do that Monday, but hello, we may as well go through it, right? So this is Manicadar Beauty, and this looks like it is contour and blush. So Manicadar Beauty, I've not heard of Manicadar, but I don't know. Let's open it and find out. No idea what it is. Oh, for crying out loud. Forget it. That's going to take me forever. Okay. This is Ipsy Cosmetics. And ooh, it's paraben free. And if I could get into it, it'd be even better. Ooh, this is cool. The color that I got was wafer, and it's a lipstick. That type. And let's check this color. It's a really nice nude color, and it was very, very soft going on, actually. Definitely a bit sheer, like it's not, you know, but it's pretty. I like it a lot, actually. I'll definitely use this. So there's that. What's next? Let's see. Ooh, I actually need this right now. This is Nova Scotia Fisherman Lip Balm. And it's cool. It's got a little Canadian flag. Go Canada. Woo! Okay. Let's put some of this sucker on. Ooh, it's an ugly color though. Look at that. Ugh. It's kind of like... Oh, you know what it smells like? Maple syrup. Let's see if it tastes like maple syrup. Come on. No flavor. But it definitely smells like maple syrup. Extreme, eh? NovaScotiaFisherman.com. Canadian maple. There you go. Canadian maple. And that's why I call this Canada's Ipsy, is because Ipsy is $10. I think for me it's $20.50 once I pay delivery and all the other taxes and exchange for the money. It's actually quite expensive. So in Canada, the cheaper alternative, or the, you know, small size, sample size, sometimes full size alternative, is Topbox. So these two look the same. No, they're not the same. One is foundation and one is primer by VDL. This primer gently hugs and hydrates the skin with deep moisture and volumizing light, brightening the skin with clear and watery radiance. Look at it. Guys, you guys need to know I suck at this. I cannot open anything to save my life. Oh my goodness. That's what I'm going to be known for, the chick who can't open a gosh darn thing. Ugh. There we go. Hi, look at little Mimi. There's that. It's definitely not. Where the heck is this made? It's Korean Beauty. That's cool. So let's open up this one. And this is Perfect Lasting Foundation. A lightweight liquid foundation with a natural matte finish and buildable medium to full coverage. What the hell color is that? If you look at that, it looks like it's a dark brown. If it is, that's just not going to work for me. That would be a miscue. I'm thinking I might have got somebody else's box in that case. Ooh. Because the color is A02, which you would think would be the lightest. But let's find out. Okay, yeah, it's pasty white like me. I'm like, that would be bad if it's not. Look at that. Oh, it does feel nice. It does blend nice too. So there you go. It has normal foundation scent. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Got any more? No. I'm so sad. Although, this is kind of cool. Not gonna lie. I can still smell the maple too, like still. It's like mapley, making me want some pancakes. Yum, 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 yum. So obviously, we got us some primer. We got us some cover up. We got us a full-size lip crayon, which is very cool. We got chapstick, and we got a blush and contour set. There you go. And like I said, $12. So that's pretty Ipsy-ish. Actually, it's very Ipsy. Very Ipsy-ish type thing. Since this is only my second month, I'm still happy with it. It's, you know, a nice little thing where you can get like small size or whatever and see if you like it, rather than spending the huge bucks and getting the full-size one and then finding out that it's terrible. So I do like my subscription boxes, and Ipsy has been good, actually, occasionally, and occasionally not so much. So I guess this month we'll find out. But, so that is my Canadian Topbox unboxing. And if you could leave questions, that would be great. The kids and I are getting ready to make the video. Maddie's coming home in 2 days. And I will just say goodbye, farewell, and have a nice day. Do not forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell. Yeah, still not very good. I'm working on it. I'm a work in progress in general. So there you go. So do all that stuff. Bye, guys.